Good evening, guys. Welcome back.
Wagwan, wagwan.
We are going to get some food.
Yes.
We were going to get African food, but they're closed.
Yeah, and we were planning to go to the Cecile show, but tickets are sold out. Yeah, so
that's all right.
So let's go to the movie after dinner.
Yeah, we're gonna check it out while we're at dinner.
That's the plan for the night, and yeah, head home after that. Tomorrow is the day we go home.
To the beach in the morning.
So we do as much as we can tomorrow before we head back home. Yeah.
To see Bobo.
Yeah, man. So stick around.
Stick around, guys.
Yeah, man. Let's go. We on a roll now. Let's go now.
Hello, good morning. Where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Alright, guys, so we're here at African Cafe. African Taste Cafe. Yeah, we're gonna try what Ethiopian food, guys. So this is interesting.
First time.
Yeah, we have to.
First time.
We had to come here, so
yeah, we had to come and try.
Yeah, we never tried this nationality.
Yeah, food before. So first time Ethiopian food.
We tried Nigerian.
Yes.
So now we're going for
Let's have a look. Ooh, combination of dips. Beautiful food. Lovely. So let's try this out, hey babe? Yeah.
Maybe it's because there's no judgment on that. It's just pure acceptance. So they just can go, yeah. There's not that they can be normal, and I'm not going to judge.
Dips, guys. Yummy, yum, 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 yum. Somebody was hungry for his tum tum.
You know the vibes.
You know the vibes. Let's go, guys.
Get on.
Alright, let's go. Let's try.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Beautiful. Yum. I'm gonna try all of them. I'm gonna make chum chum. Yum, guys. Now this is amazing. Oh, now if that doesn't make your mouth water, I don't know what else will.
Exactly.
Oh my.
So this restaurant is not just Ethiopian food.
Yeah, but it's 8 different kinds of cultures.
Yeah.
Countries.
Because which one of the dishes Sudanese?
More Middle Eastern.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is one of the dishes Sudanese?
This one's Sudanese.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And yeah.
Yeah. So different countries in Africa dishes.
Yeah.
They do eight different. Yeah.
Guys, yum.
Yeah, man. So we're gonna share this.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Worth it.
African taste.
That's it. Let's do it again. Wagwan, everybody.
Wagwan.
How is my island tribe doing?
Yeah, man. Wagwan.
So we just woke up not long ago, and all fresh up and
Yeah.
things, teethless breath,
Yeah,
brushed.
Yeah.
So we're going to the 12 Apostles today, guys. We're going to go and show you guys what the beaches in Melbourne or Geelong or wherever the hell it is.
Yeah.
I get confused.
Yeah, because even yesterday someone was saying like, oh, something about Melbourne, and we're actually in Geelong. Like, so it's like they're saying it's Melbourne,
They're saying it's Melbourne, but
at the same time it's
they're
like,
saying it's like,
yeah,
some people say no, Geelong is Geelong and
Yeah.
Melbourne is Melbourne. So I don't get it.
Yeah.
So for any of our Melbourne followers, can you please clarify
Yeah.
if Geelong is part of Melbourne?
Exactly.
Because we're confused.
Yeah, man.
We don't know.
yeah.
So we're going to the 12 Apostles, and yeah, we'll see what goes on from there, because we do have to catch a flight back home.
Yeah, it's our last day.
It's our last day here, and I miss Ireland so much.
Yeah, man. I miss him. I miss him.
Miss
very
him
much.
very, very much.
Yeah.
We can't wait to get there at home and just play with him, and so that's going to be a really good vibe when we see him and that. And he's probably wondering where the hell we are.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly.
where's mum and dad?
Exactly.
You know. But yeah, it's been a great time.
Yeah.
Nevertheless,
It was fun.
Babe performed really well, as you guys are going to
Yeah.
see, because I taped it all.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so look guys, we're not gonna probably, you know, we're gonna upload everything because we want to give you the whole version of it.
Yeah.
You know, obviously we're not gonna be monetized for it.
Yeah, because
True.
copyright music, pretty much.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is what it is,
Yeah.
and we'll just go from there.
Yeah, man.
So anyways guys, enjoy our day with us.
You know what I mean? Yeah, man. We are get off, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh my gosh.
So, the sun is out, which is a good look. So
Yeah.
it's not too bad today. The weather don't look bad today, so.
But we
better
had to
than
go
yesterday.
out and get clothes.
Yeah, exactly.
We did say that yesterday to
Yeah.
you guys, but we went out. I went out this morning again
Yeah.
because I'm like, I don't like wearing the same clothes for 2 days or every day.
That's
It
it.
sounds so weird.
No, but it's true. We kind of bring limited clothes, and also,
Yeah, no, we brought summer clothes.
yeah, we
Yeah.
brought summer clothes.
And it's
really.
cold here. It's literally 10 degrees, guys.
You know what I mean?
So, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Melbourne, I don't know how you guys survive this kind of weather.
It's different.
It's different.
Bipolar.
It's definitely
Changes every
bipolar.
second.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
So today looks like a clear day, but who knows, that might change in half an hour.
Yeah.
So we'll let you guys know about that.
Yeah, man. And last night, what happened last night?
Oh, we went out to an African restaurant.
Yeah. And where else did we? Well, we come straight home after.
Yeah, we came home straight after, and we were going to go to the festival,
Yeah.
but we didn't end up going, guys, because we were so tired.
Really
like
tired.
really tired. You know, sometimes I know the saying goes, when you're not at home, you don't sleep as good as you sleep at home. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just really tired, and because we got hit into Melbourne really early in the morning,
like
that threw us
3 o'clock,
back.
it's just, yeah.
That threw us really back, guys.
Man, it messed you up.
It really messed us up. But anyhow, and you know, we're not the type of people to be up at 3 o'clock in the
so-
morning. No, we go to bed quite early.
So, I
Well,
know.
at least Grandpa does anyway.
True.
Anyways, guys, stay tuned for the next little
Yes.
thing we're going to show you.
See what happened throughout the day, you know what I
Yeah.
mean? Stay around.
Let's go.
Oh shit, look at sheep, babe.
Yeah.
Shit.
It's a lot of sheep, man. The country town of the sheep world.
I tell you, man, look over this again. Sheep like no tomorrow. When you talk about Australia, when you talk about farmland, yo, endless.
What the heck is
A church? Well,
Yeah, what
is
the
it because
hell?
of Halloween?
It's called the Notorious Blue Church of the Flying something.
What the hell is this?
What is that? Wait, no, I gotta have a look at this. This is not right.
But why would a church be decorated with Halloween
That's what I'm
themes?
saying. What the heck? The Notorious Blue Church of the Flying Spaghetti Monster.
No way, it's a church. I think it's just all made up just for Halloween. No way it could be.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I had to turn around, guys, and see what's going on with that. But it must be something.
Yeah. I can't see them.
I can see them now. They're llamas.
Yeah. Never been this close to one before.
Wow. Amazing. Look at the towers on top. Shit. Look how close we are to these windmills. They're amazing. Imagine what flies off. Wow. Wicked.
First time being this close to them. I never realized they're actually that big. Look at that, man.
Gosh, they're huge.
Massive.
It's like a bloody ride.
Shit.
Oh my gosh.
These things are gigantic, man.
You're gonna touch the car.
I swear, that's how it looks.
Far out. That's crazy.
Yeah, and these generating current.
Wow. That is massive.
I don't know if you guys can see, but if you look at all these trees, they're all black. Maybe saying it's probably bushfire.
Yeah, I don't know if it's out of control bushfire or controlled bushfire.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
of like summer and things.
Yeah.
Just to control the forest burning down. It's cold.
Really cold.
Yeah. Oh, better be careful with the horse sign.
Oh,
Any
yeah.
horses crossing the road.
Yeah.
If there's a horse, I'm stopping. Oh, they're so cute.
Can see the ocean now.
They're so cute.
Yeah.
I want cow. We'll eat all my grass.
So here we go. 12 apostles. Yeah, we come here now. Yo, I say from where I drive till now, we're gonna stop see sheep. Hundreds, if not thousands, really.
Oh, you can hear them.
Yeah.
Can't really see much from the car.
Yeah.
Wow, the water's pretty.
Oh, it's pretty.
Oh my god, it's
Look out
absolutely
there.
beautiful.
Oh, look at the waves behind. Shit, we couldn't see that.
Wow. We'll get the drone out.
Yeah.
Wow,
Oh, it's pretty.
Look how pretty it is.
Oh, these are the rocks.
Oh my god.
Oh, those are the rocks down there. The view is mad.
They have a motel and country retreat out here.